Girls? Where are you? There's one. Where's Marin? Where's Marin? In there? Where? There she is.
In the closet.
You're in the closet? Who are you playing with?
Cece.
Where'd she go?
And go downstairs.
You should probably go get her. Can you go get her?
Put my bag.
Oh, okay. Take your bag.
There she is.
Caroline, who are you playing with? Who? Marin? Yeah. Do you love her?
Yeah.
Can you give her a kiss?
On my bag. I'll open this. I'll open this. I'll open this.
Okay.